Hey there, Cousin Shannon in Iowa. I'm getting ready to make a really quick and easy meal for a busy weeknight. So come along with me and I'll show you how I make quesadillas. So I heated up my non-stick pan. And I'm gonna put some butter down on here. And then you just take a burrito size, and we're using the low carb burrito size tortillas. Lay it in the pan, and then you're gonna try that again. You're gonna take some quesadilla cheese. They do make cheese that's pretty much 4 quesadillas. Put it on half the tortilla. Take some of the peppers, onions, and chicken and lay on the quesadilla. And then I use just Chipotle Ranch, whatever brand I have on hand, and this happens to be great value. And I put just a little bit of the sauce on there, Chipotle Ranch, or you could use the spicy ranch or jalapeno ranch, whatever you want. You don't even have to put that on there if you just like meat and cheese and veggies, because it's pretty well seasoned. It doesn't really need the sauce, but we like it with the sauce. And then I just flip that over. I don't want to get it toasted on each side, so I'm going to let it set for a second on this side. Kind of like making a grilled cheese sandwich, just with tortillas. I'm sure everybody's made a quesadilla, but that's what we're having tonight, so I thought I'd show you how I do it. This is the easy way if you get home from work and you don't know what to make. All I had to do was chop up the onions and peppers. The rest of it the store did, because they have the chicken comes in these containers, and like I said, I got the fajita flavored. I still do add my Southwest seasoning that I make, and I've made a video about that if you want to check that out. Get it toasty on one side, flip it over. Oh, that looks good. That's what we're looking for, is this crust on here. Then I'll serve it with some guacamole, some sour cream, and I'll show you what it looks like on the other side.